Hey everyone, Chris from HMR Motors. Today I have a 2010 Honda Odyssey EXL with only 29,000 miles. This van has a clean auto check with no accidents, and it's super clean, rust-free, and in excellent condition. It has been converted by VMI into a fully handicap accessible wheelchair van featuring their Northstar conversion with a power in-floor ramp at the passenger side sliding door. This van also is fully equipped for someone looking to drive directly from their wheelchair, featuring push right angle hand controls, an easy lock wheelchair docking station in the driver position, and a tri-pin steering wheel spinner knob. It also comes equipped with two Q-Straint tie downs and a seatbelt buckle extender. Being an EXL model, this van is nicely loaded with leather seating, a sunroof, heated seats, and a backup camera, and much more. In today's video, we're going to do a full walk around, show you the interior and all the mobility features working, and take it out on the road so you can see how it drives. So let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to operate the wheelchair ramp on this van. It's super simple and user-friendly. You could deploy the ramp right from the factory key fob by pressing and holding the passenger side sliding door button. The door will automatically open, the van will lower, and the ramp will smoothly deploy onto the ground. To stow the ramp, just press and hold the same button again. The ramp will retract, the van will raise, and the door will close all automatically. In addition to the key fob, you can also operate the ramp using the factory overhead sliding door button or the button located next to the ramp in the rear. This conversion is all about ease, accessibility, and giving you true independence on the road. Let's do a walk around of the Odyssey so you can see the overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go.
Rims and tires look super nice. Tires are practically brand new. Really nice tires. We have some discoloration here. This vehicle has been wrapped previously. Front door looks really nice. Flares look really nice as well. Sliding door looks really good too. Quarter panel looks really nice. Like I said, super nice rims and tires. Liftgate looks really nice as well. Bumper looks super clean. A little scratch right here. There's a little ding right there. It's super hard to see. It's really small. I don't point everything out to you guys, so this way you know exactly what you're getting. Don't want to be any surprises when this van shows up. Little discoloration here. It's really small. Driver door looks really clean. The vehicle does have a light tint all the way around, super light. See a little bit on the hood here. Very faint, but like I said, I like to point everything out. A couple little scratches right here. Headlights look super clear, really nice. Grill, there's a little discoloration in the grill as well. Front bumper looks really nice. I don't see any damage.
Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you the conversion in more detail.
See, we have our in-floor ramp here. Super nice. Really clean inside. So here we have some cup holders, a little storage. Back seat's in really good shape. Same thing on this side. We have some cup holders, a little bit of storage. And we do have options to control the ramp and the sure deploy right here, as well as another option to control the ramp right here. Nice window shade. There's a couple of scratches here on the tint from the previous owner. Power windows and locks. You can see here that we do have the easy lock docking station in the driver position. Both front seats are removable, and the docking station could be moved if that's something that works for you in any kind of direction. So do have rear air conditioning as well. It's ice cold. You can hear all the fan speeds working. And then, like I said, you can control the ramp from here as well. Press that button. See everything closing up all automatically. Plenty of room here, no ramp, because it's in the floor. Really nice. Passenger seats in really good shape. See, we do have a power seat as well. See, it moves forward and back, and it reclines as well. Do have our glove box here. Just a little card from VMI about the shirt deploy, so that's in there. You have a little storage compartment right there. Check out the trunk. See, the back is super clean. We do have our M series tie downs and seatbelt buckle extender in this little cubby hole right here. Nice power outlet and our jack and tools. Okay. The rear seats do fold down as well. You can see them fold down. The picture is kind of hard for me to do with one hand, but they do fold. They do recline just by pulling the strap. So, yep, and then they just Velcro just like that. So really nice, plenty of space back here if you wanted to fold these seats down. And then we do have our power tailgate button right there. Let's take a look at the driver's side. Super clean. Same thing, we do have a power driver's seat. So you can see that moving forward and back and reclining, and it goes up and down. So you can see all that working. All right, let's get inside. You can see here we have our spinner knob as well as our hand controls. And forward for brake. See here it's running with no lights on. Turn it off so this way you can see. No warning lights, just the seatbelt light on. So I don't have my seatbelt on. Only 29,000 miles, crazy. All right, let's take a look around. Automatic driver's side window. You can see that going up and down. Passenger side window working. Let's check out the rear windows. All right, you see all of our windows working. What else do we got? Let's check out our radio. Radio works, speakers sound good. We do have automatic dual zone climate control. You can also adjust the fan speeds here, so you can hear all the fan speeds going. AC is ice cold, does control the rear as well. We do have a little storage compartment here, as well as cup holders and a little storage area. Over here we do have heated seats, both for the passenger and the driver, and a little power outlet and an auxiliary inlet, and another little storage compartment down there. Really like about these Odysseys, they have these center fold up. Let's see if I can get this with my other hand. Center fold up storage, some cup holders, really nice. Tucks away, there's a little knob right here and it locks in place. Love this feature in this Odyssey. And then we do have our glove boxes over here. Do have power locks, so you can hear those going, see those going. Over here we can also control the sliding doors as well as the sunroof. If you press the passenger side sliding door, it will operate the entire function of the ramp and everything. So it opens up the liftgate. And over here we have our easy lock shirt deploy, so you can release and mute if there's nothing locked in there.
let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well the van performs and how it feels out on the road. Wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.